are on the food feed. Just joking, they're passing me. Should I do this instead? I think this is where I really break it down. You guys ready? So, some effects may be changed on the thing. Since hold it that properly. How can I do that? Like this. Wow. Okay. That was just hit up. I didn't have to do that. Yeah, cool guys, right? Cool guys. Look at this motorbike happening. You guys good? That's funny. Yeah, I'm getting good. Yeah, I'm about to go down the river too. Okay. See ya. Is that a nice drive? Or that was a nice fry? Back again. I'm gonna run. Sort it out again. Gotta race this. We gotta race this cat uphill. And it's fun. And you should know uphill. Now you see the grass? Ooh. The grass is home. The grass is freedom. The grass is nature. And if nature can handle itself, then nature can handle itself, then that's this nature car. You'll see? Oh god. No, that's not good. A headshot. What's this car? Oh god. No. Break the car. Oh, car is not good. Wait, what? It's only a swimming world. I can only think Christopher's church. Let's go. So, guys, I'm gonna be like this. We're gonna be looking and talk about what the weather's gonna be like. The sun's coming out and you can actually see how large it is. That's not normal. Wait, is the sun getting closer? I might want to run a little bit. It looks like the sun's getting closer, but I pretty much know it ain't. But ain't that such a beautiful sight? Right now, it'll be pitch black. There you go. Okay. So we're gonna be scooting, and yeah. So scoot. Ow! That's not good. It's not that hard. How much got? I don't know. Yep. I'm gonna right. You go, guys. Giggity giggity goo. All lickety split. You know, I'm not for you split. We're going down. Do you wanna go for a ride? Nice weather. And right? Because I mean, you don't need to be split. So, is it okay for you to keep split? I mean, it wouldn't be okay for me. But, it's not okay for me right now. So, definitely not. No, I'm just gonna be drunk now. I'll show you. You know I'm gonna play some more. You want me to get? Wow, it's like a tiny beans. Oh my god, again. Poison? Sometimes when I tell poison, feeding me poison. Addicted to the shit I can't help but swallow up. It's poison, I made my choices. Every night I'm living, every night I'm wishing like there's no tomorrow. My story's gonna end with me. That's from your poison. Poison, I'm drowning in poison. Poison, poison. Wish I had something to live for tomorrow. You almost see that. What's that next? What's you should have got a better phone. Better for your head. Better for you shut out. You're better off dead, deader than the red dead sea. Promise me the sea. People on the people, stay banging bigger drums. Baby banging, you beat the potion to your feet. Here I come. Ain't gonna be this lightning. Gonna be this lightning. You be this lightning. So, yeah. Wait, what? Is it something closer? I don't mind that. Yep. Definitely. People, it's banging bigger. And I'm pushing through you. Guys, I'm not gonna check it. Guys, it's free. Isn't it? 8 minutes and 25. these days. I might go up here again. Okay. Have a little bit more. Let's just random. Got the big tree there, and we're just going to not with my mum. People, a lot of people outside of the building. They beat the cops into your house. Oh, it looks good. It looks good, guys. Wow. Who's right? Wait, is this sideways? You guys? Guys, you good? Maybe not. What? Brand new already, I'm telling you that. People are the people.